Wike unveiled plan to deal with Nnamdi Kanu's IPOB in Rivers. The Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has unveiled plans to deal decisively with the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB. Wike signed an executive order proscribing the Nnamdi Kanu-led group in the state. He disclosed this in a statewide broadcast in Port Harcourt on Wednesday. The governor, however, assured that Rivers was home to all tribes. Wike said, "We have everything against the presence and activities of the legally proscribed and anarchic indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and whatever that group stands for in Rivers State." This is clearly a Boko people group whose existence, creed, mission, and activities are strongly denounced even by the government and people of the southeastern states of the country. I have therefore signed the executive order to reinforce the total ban on IPOB and its activities in Rivers State or any part thereof, and nothing will stop us from enforcing this ban in its entirety. Thank you for listening to this news. Nyesom Wike, you are still getting it wrong again. Still getting it wrong again. You are taking this thing too far. You are taking this issue too far. I don't know. IPOB meant no harm. IPOB meant no harm with the people of Rivers State, and they will never mean no harm. IPOB is a harmless group. They are not harmful. They are not harmful. You really need to understand. You really need to see it in that way. See how you are just attacking the IPOB members, attacking them, blocking everywhere, blocking everywhere. You don't want them to have a breathing space even in River State. It's unfair. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Please and please, Nyesom Wike, we still believe in you. We still believe in you, and we still believe that you are different from those hoodlums that call themselves Southeast governors. You are different from them. We know that you make a difference. You make a difference. We know, we trust you. Don't allow these people to inflict you with their deceitful personality. Don't accept their advice. We know you as someone that believes in your own decisions and not the decision of the other person. You understand? So please, I beg you, you have to get along with the IPOB. You need to understand them. You are the kind of person that the Biafra need to liaise with. Do you understand now? So please, withdraw this ban you have placed on IPOB in Rivers. Withdraw it. All that has happened in Rivers are not true. Are not true. They are not true. I told you before that you should make your research. I told you before that you should make your findings, and you will see that IPOB means no harm. And you will see that IPOB never want any harm to befall anyone. You really need to understand that. Are you getting it? These people, they are only doing all these things to make you believe just what they believe, which can never work, because your way of reasoning is different from their ways of reasoning. You understand? So that is why we are calling on you to please calm down, and don't take actions like that. Alright? Don't take actions like that. Don't be so much in a hurry to to do things. Alright? Remain calm. Remain calm. Don't hurry. Don't rush things. Alright? Nyesom Wike, I am speaking to you through this channel. Are you getting it now? Because I know and I'm very sure that you will still get reconciled with the IPOBs. Okay, now you are saying you are banning the IPOB from the IPOB from carrying out their activities in rivers. Do you know that IPOB takes 80% popularity in rivers? Do you know that? Do you know that it is the IPOBs that covers the whole of Rivers State? Most of the investments, most of the giant properties that you have in Rivers State today, most of them are owned by the IPOBs. You cannot chase IPOB away because the Igbos are known to the IPOB and they reside in rivers. You get it now? So indirectly, they have been supportive and contributive to the economy of Rivers State. That is what you need to understand. So I don't want you to be deceived. I don't want them to make you feel that the IPOBs are not doing it right. Mbano. It's not true. Alright? So Nyesom Wike, just like I said, alright, we still believe in you. We still trust in you. We still believe in your government. Your government is different from others. You are not biased. You are the only governor that will see injustice and say no to it. Other governors have been supporting injustice. But you have decided to be different. And we would like you to continue to be different. And because that is what the people of Rivers State really need. We know that you are angry. You are angry because you are a lover of your people. You won't like any harm to befall them. And that is why you are taking the decision. You are right, my dear. You are right. But the truth of the matter is that IPOB never did what they say they did in Rivers. Make your findings and you see what I'm saying is true. You understand? So, my viewers, based on all that I've just been said, what is your take? Please, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.